We are at the top of the ship. That is the one of the things. The ship is kind of turning, as you can tell. If I stay stationary, you'll be able to see how the ship is turning. And it's beautiful scenery. It's not cold. It feels like it would be cold, but it's not cold. Here's Dia, and here's icebergs. And there's a waterfall.
There's trees.
There's a waterfall. And there's ice everywhere. But see, the ship is turning. Look. The ship is turning.
Where?
It's turning around.
Where?
It's turning from one side to another.
Where?
And there's a screen on the ship which is showing the direction in which the ship is going. Look, that's the front of the ship. Yeah, it's turning. Yeah.